Go Skiers and Riders. I'm John.
I'm Nick.
And this is your Sunday, November 25th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. The groomers hit the mountain early and fast last night. We have 9 trails open for everyone, ranging from the beginner on the lower and mid-mountain to the advanced on the summit, and it's all serviced by our 4 quads. We also have a few park features up on Challenger for those of you looking to go big. With temps today in the high 30s, you could leave a layer or 2 at home. It'll be cloudy and foggy in the morning with clouds breaking away for some sun in the afternoon. We have a bunch of great events coming up. Be sure to check out Wachusett.com for more details and anything you'd like to know about.
That's all I have.